Hi, you guys. Welcome back. My name is Carrie Penny. I am the Happy Crafty Homemaker, and today we're checking in for the mid-month check-in for another year of make-alongs, January 2026. So this month's theme is UFOs and languishing WIPs, and I have to say I've done pretty good by my own metrics here, but it's trying to clean out the previous stuff so I can start the new stuff, see what I have, see what I'm working with. It's a lot of fun for me, and coming back to some of these projects I've really wanted to work on and missed working on. So this has been a lot of fun for me. I know a number of people are still working on finishing up Christmas gifts, so they're, pushing everything, trying to get things done. But it's just, I don't know. I enjoy at least dedicating some part of my mental space to just a clean slate. And I've been cleaning and stuff. I got the yarn room picked up. It's not clean. It's not tidy. It's not what I want it to be. But at least there's more than just a walk path from the door to this corner of the room now. And I can get to my closet again. And I'm working on cleaning up the paper crafting room. I have most of the stuff downstairs finally taken care of, which means now I can start turning part of my attention to learning how to use the flatbed machine. So January has been, a fresh start, new things going on constantly here. So finishing UFOs, languishing WIPs. Before we get into your projects, let's talk about what I did or what I've been doing. We're not completely done yet. So first off, from 2025, we have my Buddy socks. So I'm actually done knitting these. I just need to cast these off. So this is Felici from Knit Picks and the colorway Buddy. I used a Cascade Heritage for my heel. And the red glitter is a Knit Pick Stroll in Scarlet. So this is the last time you guys saw them. At the beginning of the year, I was here. So I've literally worked from this red stripe all the way up so far this month. So Buddy socks are project number 1 that I've been working on. Project number 2, we have my pickle jar scarf. This is from 2021. So when I picked this up for January, we were here. So I've gotten a couple of inches going there. And this is a pickle jar mini set from Aberdeen Wool Co. And it comes with a pattern and everything. I'm doing mine slightly differently than what the pattern calls for. I'm knitting 3 rows in one color, knitting 3 rows with the next color, changing whenever the ball runs out, and I'm helically knitting in the round. So this is a ginormous tube. And I could almost wear this as a cowl, just for the record. It's so light and so stretchy. At this length, it would be too much bulk, but however many stitches I cast on would almost work for that, which is hilarious. Next up, we have my dewdrop shawl, which I want this done for February so bad. So we have Valentine's Day, and we may or may not try to go out for a dinner sometime in February. We always think, oh, we're going to do something, and we never do. We never do anything for Valentine's Day. It just works out that way. But then immediately after that is Ash Wednesday. So I will have a chance to wear it at least Valentine's week, but because this is shades of pink, I really want to have this done for February. So far, I'm still in the center section. This is from 2024, February 2024. When I picked it up this year, we were here at my right side marker. So I've actually done quite a bit on this. You can see here, this is on the side, same spot. That's how much I've done so far in January 2025 on this. So this is a set. I got this as part of the Bellwether Club from Fiber Studio. This is the Smitten base. And that is 80% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, 10% nylon. And yeah, so the outer border will be in this soft pink. Boom, boom. Cannot wait. I absolutely cannot wait. The shawl pattern is the Dewdrop shawl, and it's from Woolen Berries. For the socks, it's a just vanilla sock, 64 stitches, using the pattern for the short row heel from Earth Tone Girls. Shadow Wrap heel. I use her heel. I'm trying something different to try to help with my hair breakage, because I realize I've got a lot more hair here than I realize I have, but I have a ton of breakage right now. But you can see like there's a breakage tuft there that just kind of popped out. And finally, the last thing I have been working on is my prairie shawl. So this is from October 2025. This was cast on actually as part of the Year of the Make-Alongs October 2025's goal of using the deep stash. So this is a Debbie Stoller x Red Heart collaboration. This was Stitch Nation Alpaca Love. Color is Peacock. I have not blocked this yet. I have not woven in my last two ends. I did spit splice the balls of yarn together, so I only have the two ends. This yarn felt so amazingly well. But I was here starting for the new year and did this much to finish it. So I am very excited. I do have one FO from this so far. And we have one just about to be an FO. Actually, by the time you see those again, they will be. Hopefully within an hour of sitting down next time, they will be. And we have two more that are so close to being done. I only have 9 more mini skeins in my jar here. And I'm still debating back and forth as to how I'm going to finish this. If I'm going to cast on the hat using my refill kit, see where I am, see what I have left over from this and put that into the scarf. Or if I'm going to go ahead and just say, you know what, I'm done. Let's seam this up. We'll make this a cowl or an infinity scarf. I have decisions I still need to make, and I'm on the fence still as to what I'm going to do. So 7 minutes of me talking about what I worked on. I want to share what you guys have been working on. You guys have just started out the year killing it. I am so excited at how many projects y'all have been sharing, how many different things you're sharing, the different types of things that you've been sharing. You've been hitting not just this, but also the quarterly goal, which is using bulky weight yarn as well. We'll have a whole different video for that at the end of January, just doing a, 1/3 of the way for the quarter. But oh my goodness, you guys have just, again, you amaze me, you inspire me, you make me want to do more and want to talk about it more. I'm just so excited. So anyway, here are your pictures, and I'll be back to see you in a minute. Now you guys see what I mean. You are killing it. You are doing so great. You are blowing me out of the water. And it's, again, just like with December, it's the different kinds of things you guys are doing. Y'all aren't just doing one project. You are working on so many different things, and it's just amazing to see. So I'm very proud of you guys. I cannot wait to see what you bring for the rest of the month. You've got 2 more weeks. So I love you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day. Please take care of yourselves. Bye, guys.